Hey Gabby, so I decided to make a video. I didn't hear back from Demi and I haven't set up my grade books. So the first thing you're gonna do is log into Aeries and then you're gonna wanna go to Gradebook. I've already made most of my grade books. Okay, so what you wanna do is click on add gradebook. They told us that every single class has to be added individually. And so what you're gonna do is you're gonna click fall. So you're gonna have to do for every single section. So here, if you notice, I had to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I had to do a total of 8. Okay, because I have only 4 classes. So that means you're gonna have to do a total of 10 grade books. And it's gonna go ahead and take a little bit of time. So I apologize. Okay, and I really honestly thought that Maria was communicating with you. So let me go ahead and clear that, and I'm gonna show you how to create one section, which is the section that I haven't done yet. So I clicked fall, and then the next thing I wanna do, okay, so Gabby, I'm sorry I had to put pause on here, so I don't know where I left off on. Okay, so I just wanna go ahead and go back. Okay, so I'm at home. Okay, we wanna go to grade book. Okay, and we want to add a new grade book. So like I said, you're going to have to do it 10 times what I'm going to show you what I'm going to show you now. So you're going to have to click fall and you're going to have to do one at a time. Right now, I should have already done most of mine. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the second, fifth period class that I need to do. I'm going to save it. And then once you save it, it creates it. So the first thing, you don't have to worry about any of these tabs yet. Okay, go to categories. So you're gonna have to put the name of every single category that you have. And so if you don't have a syllabus or you forgot where you put the syllabus, what I'm gonna go ahead and do is show you that you can go back to Canvas, and I'm gonna go ahead and click on the class that I'm creating the gradebook for. So right now I'm doing my Spanish honors, and when I go to grades and I scroll all the way to the end, and I think Maria might have set it up this way. Okay, in Canvas it shows you your categories. And so my category for tests and quizzes is going to be 30. And so I need to make sure that how I wrote it here is going to be the way that it's written on Aeries. So if I have that special character end, I need to make sure that I put it on Aeries. So the next category I have is notebook and classwork. And also I need to make sure that I write my percentages. My final, oh my gosh, and I'm forgetting projects and essays. Projects and essays. So once I have everything done, that I wrote them, I'm gonna go back to my Aeries and I'm gonna start adding my categories just the way that they look there. So test and quizzes is one. The next one I had was notebook and class work. The next one I had was final. And then the last one is projects and essays. They want us to go ahead and have this be identical. They're saying that if it's not identical, then you're not going to be able to sync your grades automatically. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is choose different colors. It doesn't matter what colors you choose. Okay, and I'm just doing random colors. So I'm going to go ahead and save. And next, I'm going to go ahead and click the doing weighting because I am doing weighting. So I said that was 30. This was 25. The next one is 20. And my last one is 25. So I'm gonna go ahead and save this. And now my gradebook categories are done. So the next thing, I don't worry about assignments, I skip it. I'm gonna go to manage students. And then I'm gonna add students. Okay, these students are my students. Okay, and I should have already done one for each one. So I don't know why they're both showing up here. Okay, so let me go ahead and make sure that I only choose one. I believe that, oh gosh, let me go ahead and close this. And I'll come back because I should have just 2 different classes. So let me go ahead and manage my gradebook and make sure that I did the second part of 5th period, okay, for that one. And I'm gonna go to this one, manage gradebook, and I did the first part. So let me go back to the gradebook that we were working on. And so I'm gonna manage my gradebook. And since it's in the second category, I know that it's gonna be my B students. Remember that you have A, B, C, and D. So let me go manage students, add students. And so the students I am adding are my B students. So it'll be the second half. Okay, so make sure that you click on the second half and add all students. You're gonna close it. And these are only the students that I have for B days. So I'm gonna add students, actually close. I'm gonna go ahead and go all the way to the bottom and save. And this gradebook should be done. So let me go ahead and go back to my dashboard. And I'm gonna do that to the other the other gradebook that I haven't done. So I'm gonna go ahead and manage my gradebook. Okay, do categories because I haven't for this one. I've already done the step, the fall, the 5th period. Okay, and remember we're doing one at a time. I'm gonna go to categories. I'm gonna add test and quizzes. I'm gonna add notebook and classwork. I'm gonna add final and projects and essays. Again, Maria's gonna have different categories for her class. And colors, random. Okay, I just choose random. And so then I'm gonna do doing weighting. Okay, this one I said was 30. This one is 25. This one is 20. And then the last one is 25 and then save. And now I'm gonna go to manage students. I'm gonna add students. And these are the students that I need to add. I can click on there. Okay, I don't know why the other one showed me both classes, which was weird, but just make sure that you're adding the kids, okay, for that specific day, the A day or the B day or the C day or the D day. So I'm gonna add all of them. And just to make sure, hit save. And these are the students in, okay, this course. So now I'm done here. Okay, so if I go to dashboard, I have all my gradebooks set up. I have 8, you're gonna have 10. So when you go to Canvas, okay, remember that you are gonna go ahead and click on any of these tiles, okay, and you only have to sync them once. So when you sync them, you go to grades, and make sure that you go to actions, and then you're gonna click sync to grade back pass or whatever it says. And then it's gonna be loading assignments and then post grades, and it's gonna schedule it for you. So once you click out, okay, you don't have to worry about anything because it does it on its own. Okay, I've already did it for Avid. So okay, I set it up to sync and I came back to look to see if it had synced. So I clicked by class and it shows me my Avid grades. I haven't figured out how to enter grades because I know they're due tomorrow, but this is how to set up grade books. I'll go ahead and show you a video because I need to ask Mr. Pulido how to sync them, well, not sync them, but from Aeries, where do we submit them? And so when I figure that out, I'll go ahead and share it with you.